गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। आज आपण शिकणार आहोत युनिव्हर्सल मोबाईल टेलिकम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम. युनिव्हर्सल मोबाईल टेलिकम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम. ओके, this is a very important topic as per your diploma syllabus, and this topic will be learned in mobile and wireless communication subject. Okay, so before starting the lecture, we can start the components of this universal mobile telecommunication system. Okay, that is UMTS. Okay, there are some UE, UTRN, CN. Okay, there are three major blocks. UE stand for user equipment, UTRN stand for um, universal terrestrial radio access network. Okay, then CN is a core network, and this is the main major term. Okay, so UNTS, it is a specifically one type of system which having two facility. If user want to take a call, then there are this network is for voice, and this network is for call. There are two types of network, this for voice and this for calls. Okay, so this UMTS use some switching technique. Okay, some switching technique, that is circuit switching for voice, and data switching for, or packet switching for PDM. Packet switching for PDM means for you, if you want to use the data, then this circuit use packet switching, and if user want to use the voice calls, then this use circuit switching. This is circuit switching, this is packet switching. Circuit switching for voice, and packet switching for data. Okay, so there are two. This is the only main difference in UMTS. Okay, so before starting the lecture, we can overview this structure. This is the user equipment. In user equipment, it is connected to UTRN by using UU interface. This UU interface connected to this network, this network, and this network is connected to RNC. RNC is called a radio network controller. RNC stands for radio network controller, by using LUB interface. Okay, and this RNC network connected to various node Bs. Okay, user equipment connected to on this network, that is node B, and this node B connected to RNC by using LUB network, and then RNC is connected to various node Bs. Okay, so this is the main features. Then this is a very most important features in as communication telecommunication segment, telecommunication medias. So I think these features are not added in GSM, that is RNC. Okay, so one RNC is connected to another RNC, but one RNC is connected to another RNC by using LUR interface. Okay, I think IUR is connected to IUR interface. Okay, so this is the very most advantage. Then this RNC, that is radio network controller, connected to core network. Okay, so in this segment the decision was taken that if you want data or if you want a voice call, if user want a data, then this RNC connected to core network, that is packet data network. RNC connected to this is SGSN. Okay, that is gateway GSM support module. Okay, so this support module, that the gateway GSM support module, is connected to packet data network when if user want data by using LUPS, that is PS stand for packet switching. Okay, I already discussed that. If user want data, then packet switching are used. If user want call, then circuit switching are used. Okay, so if user want data, access of internet, then this LUPS is connected to gateway GPS. Okay, support module, gateway GPS support module. Okay, and this gateway GPS support module connected to PDN, that is packet data network. This is for the data. And same way, the another feature is that if user want to take voice, then RNC connected to LUCS, that is circuit switching, to MSC mobile station controller, and then mobile station controller to another gateway MSC, and this gateway MSC connected to public switched telephone network for voice call, okay. So this is the overall working of UMTS. Okay, so main feature is that if user want data, then various another, this is for data, this segment for data, and this segment for voice. So during using this system, the efficiency and the related quality of calls, quality of data will be increased. Okay, so various, it is very simple, sorry, it is very simple example. Okay, so this is a LUR, this is LUR, user equipment connected to network connected to RNC connected to another RNC, and this RNC take the decision for user if he want a data or if he want a voice. Okay, so this is the main important parameter in a universal mobile telecommunication system. Okay, so our today's assignment is draw the well label diagram of UMTS. This is your assignment question. Okay, and this UMTS is a technology that used for voice data, various switching terminals. Okay, for voice it use circuit switching, for data it use packet switching. Okay, this is the main difference. Okay, so you can remember all these things, and this connection is called as interface, this connection is called as interface, this connection is called as interface. Okay, there are very much interface. This is node B. Okay, thank you for watching this video.